So in this video, I'll be showing you how to tune gear in Where Winds Meet. Now, tuning gear simply increases the gear's function, whether it increases your weapon's density and durability, gives you additional power whenever it comes to fighting, or even defense. So the first thing when it comes to tuning a weapon is to simply go ahead and open up the menu and then select Develop. From here, go ahead and navigate to the gear section and select the item that you would like to tune. Once you've selected it, then all you need to do is simply go ahead and then select Tune. And once you've done that, simply select Add All, and it will put all the materials that are needed to tune your weapon. Now, if you want to tune it all the way to wherever the maximum is, simply select Add All again until you've reached the maximum. Once you've reached the maximum, simply select Tune. Once you've successfully tuned, you can see you've increased either your physical defense or attack, and it will have given you extra bonuses whenever it comes to your attack or your defense, or even just enhancements in other areas. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.